Hi Naves, hi Bessies. I bring you to a field trip. Hope you like it. I mentioned that it was gonna be snow showers. We have been having snow. It's been snowing for the past 4 days, but it's melting away. It's not really sticking. Kids are having a lot of fun. Um, I wanna what is that? I wanna just fix the problem that I did when I was talking about the snow hair. It wasn't a snow hair. It's a ice hair. Ice hair. It just the snow word got stuck in my brain, and I was repeating that all the time. Also, when I said rain showers, I was gonna say snow showers because it's just my brain doesn't help me to say the right words. I'm thinking about something and it goes and said something else. That's part of the FND. So I'm just out. It's very cold. I want to show you how beautiful it looks. It's so peaceful and so quiet. Some kids are playing in the playground back there. It's a playground. And they're playing over there. Like I said, they're weatherproof. They can handle any type. If it's hot, they're out there playing. If it's cold, they're playing. I wonder if I was like that. I don't know. But I just want to show you how beautiful it looks over here. Let me get in the corner of this place so you can see. I'm trying to get there, but I'm taking my time because it's very slippery. Look at that. The board is so wet, so I'm taking my time. I don't want to fall, and then the water is freezing. I'll be dead in 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes. But peaceful. The water and the sky, they're almost becoming one. It's so beautiful. So I just want to show you how beautiful is the Northwest again. I'm sure you have beautiful places that I wish I can see them. And I just go on YouTube and I just watch different places around the world, how beautiful it is, that I wish that I was there just to take a picture. It's beautiful. The world is just beautiful. So many beautiful things to give us. But I just wanted to show you how beautiful it is and to say hello. I took Paco out in the snow. Poor guy. He's 18 years old. He loves the snow, but I have to hold on to him because he was running away. We can't afford to lose him. I will never find him. He will go forever. I found him in the street, so he knows his way. But thank you, Bessies. Thank you, vecinos y Naves, for coming visiting. Sorry, my mouth is getting crooked again. But I will see you again next time. Thank you for going out with me. Take care. Adios. That's dangerous. So slushy. Stop.